Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so today I want to talk about setting up a little private network with this Ethereum sidechain. So there are basically, I guess you can say, two parts to it. The first part is the boot node. And that's basically a lightweight geth node. This is all geth. This is a lightweight geth node designed to allow traffic. You can actually use a actual geth node, but we're going to do it this way. The second part is I set up two geth nodes, and in order to do that, you need, where did it go? They have this example of the Genesis.json. And we saw this when we were doing a heavy Ethereum stuff. So I set one of these as 15 and the other is 16. And so let me show you what we got here. Let's see. Let's look at, I'm going to bring this down, and this is, well, let's first look at the, yeah, here we go. So this is our which one are we looking at? That looks like the boot node. So let me bring that up. I think it's here. Got so much going on. So what happens is, and they go through this now, I set a particular address and port. And what it's going to do when you start it up is it's going to throw out this node, this whole big huge thing here. And you can check that it's working by, let me find that one. Let's see. That's one you can see up here. So what happens is they talk about using Telnet. This netcat seemed to work a lot better. Telnet wouldn't let me connect. So this netcat command -u-z-v will let you actually connect and verify that it connected. So now you know this is working. Now, I have initialized the two nodes, which bring the instructions back up. Which one is this? There. So let me go here and show you. Am I in the right spot? No. Here we go. All right. So what you do once you have this Genesis thing, and we've done this in when we were doing Ethereum, you geth init, and then you put that give it a path to the JSON. And again, the boot node is, they call it the rendezvous point. And then you have to start the two nodes. And again, you point to the your data folder. And your boot node, that's gonna be that big long string. So let me show you those, and we'll start them up and see what happens. They did seem to be starting. I did run into something where they were getting error blocks, and I'm wondering if that. Let me bring up the other one. let's see. That's not it. Let's see where it went. That's that one. And let's see, that one. That's our netcat. Let's try this one. Nope. And this one. Well, I don't know if we have it. So, let's see. There. Well, we got this one here. So let me show you what happens. And you're going to do it for both your nodes or however many you choose to create. Let me get it on my screen. Let me make sure I'm looking at the same thing you are. Because, yeah. All right. So, what you do is you run this. This is, so you got the geth, you got the data directory, that's a path, relative path, or you can put an absolute path. The network ID, and again, each node has to have a different one. The boot nodes, and I think they have that. They double check that network ID thing. I believe that's interesting. Maybe they don't. We'll start this one up here. They do have to have a different port, obviously. So this is, yeah, it's already, I don't know where this error is coming from, but you can see it started up. And let me find the other one, which would be, okay. I'm going to start this one with the same network ID and see what happens. See if that works. It may. Yeah. So I did start, and they're running on different ports, and they're running around. So, and you can see this one's running. Let me just look up, because now that's bothering me. I need to see what that says again. Let's see. It would be here. You need arbitrary positive integer. Let's change. Recommend changing them to. Okay, they talk about alloc. Actually, it doesn't say. They seem to work. So let's see. I'm going to do a little look up here. This is not. Let's go to Google. Okay. Okay. Chain ID to prevent additional tail chains apart. Okay. So these are just nodes. Let's see. So you can obviously have multiple. Actually, I probably messed it up because I restarted it with the wrong chain ID. So let me go back. Because I think that's wrong. I think it's going to mess up because it did not. This is generally set in the Genesis block. This is okay. I am going to reinitialize this get data mode node. I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to try so let's make them the same. Now, it's one other thing I want to point out. And I think there we go. So what I did is I deleted everything in the get data. Let me see if I can bring this up to you. And I want to show you something else because this could be important. Here we go. I'm gonna see if I can find the other window here. Yeah, this is the window I want to show you. All right, let me show you something here. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to get rid of this line. And now I'm going to do the, let's see. Okay, it's not going to be as cooperative as I had hoped. Where is the geth init command? All right. So the command we want here is geth init and then geth data 1. Actually, you can even do this. It's probably more correct. And then oh. What am I doing here? Oh, I need oh, there we go. And that's interesting. That is very I'm missing something here. What? Path to Genesis .json. Oh, that's for the bootnode. That's what I did wrong. Knew you had to give it the no. What did I do before? Yeah, it's trying to, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, I know what I want to do. Ah, that's what I left out. All right. What did I do wrong here? It's data store. Data dir. Okay. I called it data store. All right. Now, we'll go back and try to run this thing. Okay. I am in the wrong. Okay, make sure, I'm going to make sure you're, okay. I can run it right here. Because that's the one you're actually seeing. Oh, that's interesting. No, that's 40. No, that isn't the one you're seeing. Let's see something. This is. Oh. Okay. Well, let's try. I thought I deleted get data 1. Because this was the wrong. This was not the command I thought I ran. Well, let's see. That looks like the right command. You know what? We're going to try this again. Because I want you to okay. Okay. Oh, no, that's right. All right. Now let's go up one and try to init. That's strange. Well, for some reason, when we try to restart this, let's see, I'm going to restart both of them. That's what I'm going to do. So this one used as get data, and it was 40. So I am going to change this to use, I'm going to leave it since it was working. Then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to use, you know what, I'm going to get rid of get. That's going to clear out get data 1, and then we can re-init with get data 1, and let's see. Yeah, here's the error I wanted to show you. Okay, notice this error right here. You may run into that. The way to fix it is very simple. We're going to add it in. So all you have to do is, we know it's the IP 550, IP 550, or sorry, 150. Whoop. And then block, :0, save that, and success. So now we want to, we've get data 1, we got our port, we have our big long string, so let's, oh, that's interesting. All right. So it doesn't matter what port, and you can see it's running. So this is how you can have your little network. Ran into a few things. The main thing that let's see, this. Well, we're getting these block height errors. I'm not sure what's causing that, but other than that, it was running, and you can see starts. It's getting a few of the blocks right here, and you can see this one's running pretty well. And we were able to connect to the, are you even seeing it? Well, you know what? I'm going to switch back to this one here. I think this is, I want to show you, actually, I can do it here. Which one is that? Oh, not that one. Let me make sure I show it to you. if you get an error saying it's looking for EIP block 150, which I got every time, just add this into the Genesis file, and that should correct that error. So anyway, so now we've seen how you could start up the bootloader node, the boot node. You can connect to it, and then you can start two essentially Ethereum chains. And this is pretty much everything we did when we were doing Ethereum. So I kind of had to refresh my memory on Ethereum stuff. And you can have a little network going. Now you can also hook it. You can also do a regular ELA, and that can connect you to either the test net or the main net. And these guys may decide to try to, I don't know if they would, if they have the same chain ID. No, they might. But I think they did, actually. Something to look up. Anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will, again, if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I will try to answer them. And depending, if there's something that might be of interest to everyone, then I'll make another video with that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.